To find the surface area of a cylinder, you need to find the area of the two bases of the cylinder plus the area of the sides of the cylinder. When I say the sides of the cylinder, I actually just mean this part. As you can see, we're talking about the curved wall of the cylinder. And this is found by using the circumference, how far across this is, by how high this is. All right, let me show you what I mean. The surface area of a cylinder is equal to the circumference times its height. In other words, 2 pi r is the formula for circumference. Multiply that by the height, and we're going to add that to the area of both bases. And the area formula for a circle is pi r squared, but we have to multiply that by 2 because we have two bases in a cylinder. And that's what we are going to use. That's going to be our formula, which means we need to know two things. We need to know what the radius is, and I'm just going to write it down here. It's 6. We need to know the height, which is 5. And off we go. All right, so the surface area of this cylinder is going to be 2 multiplied by pi. And you can just leave the pi symbol for now, and you'll see why in a second. Multiplied by 6, multiplied by 5. Pi is pi, of course. 6 in this case is the radius, and 5 is the height. And I'm going to add that to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 6 to the second power, because that's the radius squared. All right, and now let's just evaluate these. I'm going to slide this up so you can see all my work. The surface area is equivalent to, well, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Multiply that by 2, that would be 60. And I'm just going to leave this in terms of pi for now. That would be 60 multiplied by pi plus 6 to the second power would be 36, and 36 multiplied by 2 would be 72. This, of course, would be 72 pi. And now I'm going to combine those like terms. There you go. And 60 plus 72, I believe 6 plus 7 is 13. This would be 132 multiplied by pi. And now I'm going to get out my calculator, and I'm going to find out that the surface area here, rounded to the nearest hundredth, would be 414, if I'm doing my calculations correct, 414.48 kilometers squared. Remember, surface area is always given in units squared. And that's how we find the surface area of a cylinder.